Hello everyone, I'm Bhim Chamlagain and I'm going to show you a sandbox course which I created for this Physics 2053 students. Uh, if you go to the home page, if I click the home page, it will pop up this window. So it will give the general information of this Physics 2053 course, and it also has a link to go syllabus, and also it has link to start here, which actually goes to the module section. So in module section, I do have starting from module 0 to onwards. So module 0 is actually just course orientation, about course information, structure information, expectation of this course from the students as well as instructor, and the assignment, laboratory exams, and grading policy, and all the information about support, whatever it is. So just general information about this course orientation, which I can get also from syllabus section. uh, I'll walk through this first unit which I prepared for my course for chapter 1, which is physical quantities and units. So if you click the first module 1 overview, then this window, this page will give the overview of this module. So about chapter 1, what it covers, what is its purpose, what a student has to do, and what we expect, what notes, lecture slides, or what kind of course content students can expect, and its learning outcome, and activities and assignment, different activities and assignment. So if I go to the first page, we start from the basic definition of terms which are used in this chapter, and digging deeper some topics like, let's say, units of length, mass, time, and I do have details definition and some examples, and sometimes there might be numerical problems to show how to solve some representative problem, and I do have tables, scales to show them and to summarize the content. And sometime I do have also video lecture attached with this. I make a video and upload in YouTube and give links to it over here. So this video lecture is actually summarizing what is in the content, actually same thing over there. Some of them like lecture notes, some of the students like videos, so I posted in the same way. So, and this video lecture sometimes covers also some numerical problems. I try to make its video lecture is shorter duration, less than 5-6 minutes, by dividing into different sections of this topic. So in terms of communication with the students, I usually post in announcement section. So if you see over there, if they click in announcement section, so I do have whole bunch of welcome message to some instruction message for every week. So this one is just I'm making for sandbox, so you don't see a lot, but in my real lecture, real Canvas course, I do have bunch of announcement. The next one is if I click this inbox, so I'll do also from the communication. Next one is in Zoom. I also make a individual meeting as well as a lecture meeting in a group to communicate with students. And other one is also actively involved in chat section, so a student can post their questions over here and then interact with each other, give answer, and sometimes I'll also give feedback to them, which one is answer is right, wrong, or students are going in right direction for discussion or something like that. And in discussion section, I usually make a group of people to discuss in a particular project. So they exchange their idea, and they might ask some question to me. I'll respond to them also. That is about communication. So in terms of grading, so I'll show you one thing. In grading section, I usually use speed grader, which I like a lot. So in speed grader, I choose the students which I have to grade. I use this tool to give. So I can use this to select the sections which I want to highlight, or I do give comment in text, whatever it is, it's a good job, or whatever it's wrong, or what the student has to do, or what is missing, or which formula is wrong, or what he is doing right. So I can select over there. Sometimes I'll use this tool also to select the specific section to highlight and leave a comment. Oh, great job, or your formula, whatever spot is missing, or what's new. Sometimes I do this highlight also to highlight some sections which they have to do. And sometimes I'll do the comments over there, like your initial velocity is right, or whatever it is. So it's really, and I usually put grade over here, what's grade he got, and then just submit it. And go to the next students by clicking this arrow. So go back. Let's go back. And in some sections I do have also rubric attached with this. So this one particular for this problem I don't have it because this is for sandbox section, so I haven't attached all of them. So I also attach with this rubric and comments according to rubric. In terms of engaged teaching, so I do have assignment over here. So the first one is assignment 1. Usually student has to do with whatever student understood from the lecture material I provided. And they summarize. I will give comments accordingly. The quiz sections, which actually monitored by this honor log, they have to do in one sheet. I also use this to grade. This is speed grader, and also they do have homework assignment, so which has multiple problems attached with this rubric. I usually use this rubric to grade them. And other than that, so they do have activity also, which is in place of lab. So there is provided complete instruction how they have to do. So there is sometimes Word documents or PDF files, so I provide them what material they have to collect. So usually I'll choose the materials they can easily get in home, and they have to test the principle by simple measurement, and they do a bunch of measurement and write down over there, and like this over there they have to do measure, write down over there, and then compare value, and then calculate this value, and sometimes they have to find out the % difference from the standard value, so how close their measurement are.